Okay, hi everyone. In today's video, we're gonna study about Microsoft Excel and their formulas. And there are footballers here. But before starting the learning, please like and subscribe to my videos. I'm a new content creator. Please support me. Okay, let's start. To do the sum, to do the sum formula, you need to touch the equal, and we need to touch sum and open. We need this and this and closing this, and it will become, from clicking all here like that, the process will be so long. And this is not for pros. For pros is like this, it will be like that, and there are another method, but that I know, this is all I know. Okay, from the average, if you type one wrong, it will not come. For example, if I write like this wrongly, if I like this wrongly and open this and do like this, it will not come, because what's the problem is here, the spell is wrong. If I do this with the E, and if it's gonna come the perfect one, all we need. And to do the process faster, we need to make it like this, so it's gonna feel more faster. For a rank, that's the harder one from the sum and the average. For rank formula, we need to equal, type rank, open this. After doing this, we need to touch the sum or average. You can choose one, and we need to press comma. After we pressing comma and we touch it I2 again, but when we press F4 and 2 point, after doing the 2 point, you press I2 again. So if F4, it's gonna come like that, but you change this one. So from this they are 10, so you press 10. No, I mean 12. They are here. See this one? It's saying it's 12. So you write it, and you see it will come like that. And after doing this, we do like this, boom, and it's gonna come like that. So Ronaldo is number 5. That means that's a cup, but that's for the studying. It's not the real one. And like this, it will become like this. And if you enjoy that, if that was so helpful, please like and subscribe and help me to reach, my goal is to reach 100 subscribers. And please like and subscribe to my video.